Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all my students of Green Valley Schools. Today I am going to share with you the key answers for worksheets for the classes 6 to 9. So let us start the worksheets. The first question in worksheet was a structural component that is found in all viruses is. Question is related to the structure of virus. The options were DNA, capsid, spikes, tail fibers. The correct answer is capsid, because capsid contains proteins and these proteins goes inside the host cell. It helps the virus to penetrate its genetic material inside the host cell. So capsid gives an extraordinary protective covering for a virus. So the correct answer for question number 1 is capsid. The second question says a chemical component found in all viruses is. Which is the chemical component which is found in all viruses? The options are lipids, RNA, DNA, proteins. The correct answer is proteins. As I said, proteins helps the genetic material to penetrate and uncoat itself inside the host membrane. So the correct answer is proteins. RNA, DNA are the genetic materials of viruses. Lipids are not present in virus. The third question says virus range in sizes from, the option is 1 to 100 nanometer, 25 to 300 nanometer, 400 to 1000 nanometer, 1 to 10 nanometer. The correct answer is 25 to 300 nanometers. Virus range in sizes from 25 to 300 nanometers. The fourth question is typhoid fever is caused by, options lactobacillus, streptococcus, salmonella typhi, escherichia coli. The correct and perfect answer is salmonella typhi is the bacteria which causes typhoid in human beings. Lactobacillus actually, it's a very important bacteria present in digestive system which helps us to digest the food, as well as it kills the unwanted bacteria which is present in stomach. They are called as probiotics actually. Then streptococcus is a very harmful bacteria. Escherichia coli is also a very harmful bacteria which causes usually food poisoning. So the correct answer for fourth question is salmonella typhi. Coming to the fifth question. Virus requires this for replication and reproduction. What does virus basically requires to reproduce or replicate itself? The options are host cell, tail fibers, DNA, RNA. The correct answer is host cell. A virus definitely requires a host cell to penetrate and uncoat its DNA or genetic material inside the host cell. Thereafter, the replication process starts and it reproduces, killing or infecting the host cell. So, virus requires host cell. DNA and RNA are the genetic materials. Either the one are present in viruses. Tail fibers helps the virus to move. So, the correct answer for the fifth question is host cell. The sixth question is all the viruses contain, options DNA, RNA, both RNA and DNA, RNA or DNA. See, the genetic material present in viruses are DNA and RNA, but the obligation is any one of them only is present in the virus. Either DNA is present in few viruses or RNA is present in few viruses. So the correct answer is for sixth one is D, RNA or DNA. Seventh question, the name of the virus which feeds on the bacteria. The options we have given are coronavirus, SARS virus, bacteriophage or none of the above. The correct answer is bacteriophages. It has the quality of killing the bacteria, but it never infects the animals or human beings, whereas coronavirus and SARS virus are interrelated to each other. It is a common cold disease, advanced form of common cold disease where there is no treatment or vaccines present for its cure. It definitely infects animals and human beings, whereas bacteriophages does not infect any human beings or animals. No result has been found, but it kills and feeds on bacteria. So the correct answer for the question number 7 is bacteriophages. Question number 8 says the disease caused by virus is, the first one typhoid, second malaria, third MERS, fourth amoebiasis. Let us go with one by one. Typhoid actually it is caused by a bacteria called as salmonella typhi. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium protozoa, Plasmodium vivax. It is a protozoan present in Anopheles mosquito. Mosquito acts as the carrier. When the mosquito bites, if this plasmodium is present inside the mosquito, definitely it goes inside the host or human beings and causes malaria. Coming to MERS, it is a Middle East respiratory syndrome caused by virus. Last option is amoebiosis. It is caused by amoeba, another protozoan. So the correct answer for the question number 8 is MERS, Middle East respiratory syndrome. It is caused by virus. The ninth question says, how many viruses are there which are able to infect humans? The options are 300, 219, 150 and 100. The correct answer is, scientists has proved that until now 219 different viruses are present in atmosphere which will infect the human beings. The question number 10. Can antibiotics cure viruses? The options are yes, no, can't say none of the above. The correct answer is the B, no. Viruses cannot be cured by antibiotics. Antibiotics are usually made by the strains of bacteria. Majority of the antibiotics kills or cures the bacterial infections, whereas few antibiotics can control the virus, but it cannot cure completely the viruses or cannot completely kill the viruses. So the correct answer is B, no. Please students, go through this video with your worksheets. Sit in front of this video and your worksheets. Correct your answers by yourself. Please try to learn. By next week, we'll update you the second worksheet in science. Until then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Khuda Hafiz.